in the heart of a scorching desert, where every shadow hides danger and survival hangs by a thread. One story rises above the rest, a story not just of predator and prey, but of heartbreak, vengeance, and a mother's love pushed to the edge. This is the tale of a mongoose. Small, fierce, and now broken. When she returns home to find her den silent, her baby's gone, and the scent of a cobra still lingering in the dust, something inside her snaps. She isn't hunting for food anymore. She's hunting for justice. The moment she smells the blood, she freezes. Her den, once full of life and warmth, now reeks of death. Tiny paw prints wiped away. Nothing left but smeared trails in the sand. And scales. A cobra. It slithered in when she was gone. It killed her young, ate them. From that second, the mongoose becomes something else. Her eyes narrow, her muscles coil. She's not just a mother, she's a force of nature now. Across the desert, she tracks him. Through dry brush, over cracked earth. Every step is driven by fury. And when she finds him, rising tall with his hood flared, the battle begins. The cobra strikes like lightning fast, lethal, but the mongoose, she's faster. She leaps, twists midair, dodging every blow. Sand explodes beneath them as they clash, a blur of teeth, scales, claws, and rage. She bites. He coils. He squeezes. She doesn't let go. It's primal. It's brutal. And it's personal. Then, silence. Dust settles. The cobra lays still, his body limp, his mouth open. Mongoose stands over him, chest heaving, her fur stained. She doesn't roar in victory. She just stares into the distance where her babies once played. She drags his body back toward the den. Not for food, for closure. This isn't just survival. This is justice. It's a reminder to the wild. Even the smallest creature will become a warrior. When you take everything from her,